I was swinging along, minding my business, when suddenly out of the blue, just like a present from heaven, beautiful, wonderful you. The clouds disappeared and the birds started singing a beautifully wonderful tune, for no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful you. Now who could have thought this could happen? Who would have ever believed? Could it be true that someone like you could fall for somebody like me? Now I'll swing along, happy as ever, no longer lonely or blue, for I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful, marvelous, lovable, beautiful, wonderful you.
These are like the best forms ever. I mean, I've had these for over 8 years and they still look brand new. I've done everything with them. I've worked in the Florida hot sun, and when I'm done with them, I just clean them off and they still look brand new. But these things, they don't crack. They're not brittle. You get a good, I mean, look at the corners on those things. Real sharp corners. No one else could do that. Anything else you see out there is just, is an imitation. A copycat. That's all it is. These are the original. They've been around for a long time. I've had these for over 8 years and they still look brand new. Done a lot of work with these. You'll love them. Buy them.